Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. This is Sherifmabrouk Muhammad, Oracle Supply Chain Consultant. Now we are going to explain how we can prepare a complete setup for Oracle Enterprise Asset Management module project. Now we will navigate to Enterprise Asset Management Responsibility. First, we have to define an area. Go to Setup, Area, select the organization, I will select this organization. Then add the area that you want to update here. Alright, for example, Riyadh, material handling, then save. Next step is how to define an asset. Of course, first of all, we have to define the assets where we will apply all our procedures like work order, work requests, PM. Everything will be assigned to assets. So first of all, we have to define asset. Go to assets, asset groups, define an asset. Here I will define an asset group of name of mobile equipment. Description will be the same. Asset group. The serial generation we will select here at receipt. Then save. No serial generation is required. When receiving, we will select the serial of the asset that we are going to enter. Now, after defining asset group, go to asset number to define an asset under the defined asset group. Asset number, I'm going here to define a new forklift, 5 tons. This is the asset number. Then the asset group here, I will select predefined asset group and select the mobile equipment that I have defined previously. I have defined here mobile equipment as an asset group. Then asset serial number, I will add here the asset serial number that I need. For example, I will write forklift 01. Let us define a new asset now. The engine of the forklift we will consider as a child asset. Again, go to asset number. We will add here forklift engine. The asset group, we will select also mobile equipment as the asset group. Then we will select the serial number, forklift engine number 1. Here, to define this asset as a child asset, we have to go to this field Here we have a parent asset, which is the forklift. So we'll select here the asset number, the forklift, forklift 5 tons. Here this asset considered as a parent for the engine. So the engine is a child asset and the forklift is the parent asset. Then save. One record applied and saved. Go to the next step. Now we will define the gearbox as a rebuildable item. Go to rebuildables, rebuildable items. Here we will define forklift 5 tons gearbox. The serial generation, I don't want any predefined. I will use at receipt. Means when defining the rebuildable, I will select the serial number. Save. Rebuildable numbers. Asset number. Here I will select the asset number for the gearbox. Forklift 5 tons gearbox. Number 001. The asset group I have just defined. The rebuildable asset as forklift 5 tons gearbox. Serial number, I will add the serial number here, 001. Okay, then save. Defining resources. Now we will define resources which are used to perform an activity registered in work order to maintain an asset. Resources, navigate, go to resources, select resources. We will define a new resource, maintenance engineer. Okay, description is material handling maintenance engineer. Okay, the type is person, and the unit of measure here will be hour. This resource is measured by hours. Okay, now we define the resource. Save. We can assign a specific name for this resource. Now we will select employees. We will select the employee name from as registered in HR to define a specified maintenance engineer for this resource. Select from employee list. select any name. Okay, then save. Let us define another resource, which is a toolkit. Select resource function, resources, then select material handling, toolkit for changing oil, material handling toolkit number 1. We'll name this as a resource name. This is the description. This is not a person. Now this is, we can consider as a machine or miscellaneous. I will select here miscellaneous. Then the unit of measure, will be each also. Save. Adding a new attachment. To add an attachment, Control L. Attachments. Then here we will select the category of the attachment. I will add here work instructions. So I will select assembly instructions. This is the category of the attachment. The title, I will write changing oil, engine oil. Then here the data type, I have to select the data type of the attachment. We have here file or text or web page. I will select file. Not yet. I will go to this web page to upload the file. Browse. I will select here the file that I would like to upload. We can select any file, then submit. Back to this page. Have the file been uploaded successfully? Yes. Now save. I have successfully saved the document. Instructions for assembly.